are the steps that go behind the scenes wherever you saw a purple line over there, right? And maybe it is slightly complex to understand how it is. I will walk you through that. So assume that your supplier is in China, right? And your manufacturing unit is in India, right? We are made in India products and we are dependent on either China, Malaysia, Taiwan, whatever country it is to get the raw materials, right? So your shipper sits in China, is going to send you all the parts that you need for Dell India to assemble the laptop. So the shipper is in China, is sending all the raw materials, will be picked up by, let's say, FedEx in this case, and it will be carried over in a truck from the manufacturing location. We are assuming that it's going to be in a rural part of China, right? Points to the importance and the impact of supply chain in our daily lives, right? Okay, how does supply chain really look like? I showed you a simplified version of how supply chain looks like, and I believe some of you were nodding that, hey, this is pretty straightforward, right? But this is how it really looks like. You typically don't have one supplier or one manufacturing unit, right? Even for the same example, laptop. Dell doesn't manufacture or assemble all of their laptops in one place, right? So you would have multiple suppliers who would procure multiple raw materials in terms of like camera, keyboard, shell, whatever, and then they would provide it to different manufacturing units. The manufacturing units, if you observe closely, they are set up in different parts of the country or world for a specific reason, right? And that reason is supply chain, right? Again, I'm using the word automatically, but there is a human intervention. The load plan generation is automatic, but the execution of the load plan is again validated by a human. I don't want to paint a picture that we are solving all the problems without any human intervention through AI. Not yet. I'll also say that. Might happen in the future, but at least today we are not doing that. There is always a human in the loop to validate whatever AI generated is true. So,
do you have any specialized package running, or is it an in-house developed package?
So there are some in-house experts who can do all of these, and then for specifically hazardous cargo and explosives, we do have like specialized, again it's all in-house. In fact, we have as one of the core capabilities, what I mean by sustainability is the greenhouse emission, right? Through your logistics choices, how much of greenhouse emission did you really emit or contribute to, right? All of the corporates have their own ESG goals for the year, and this is one of the reporting that helps them to either comply, show their auditors, stakeholders, board of directors as to how they are making efficient choices, right? Let's say a customer was supposed to deliver a product 5 days from now. Did you use an aircraft or did you use a truck to deliver that product, right? And which was much more efficient in terms of greenhouse emissions and so on. So these are some of the insights that we provide to our customers so that they get better value and also they are able to take the best decision for their business. Okay, so just wanted to leave you with some of these takeaways, right?